May 18th, biggest day maybe ever for Bitcoin. We had $13 billion traded with the price around 37,000. I think what those stats tell you is that Bitcoin's coming to life. It's an institutional grade safe haven asset. And although there's volatility, the volatility is the price you pay for it to be 10x outperforming the S&P index over a decade and be, Elon's enthusiastic about Bitcoin, and probably he's just as enthusiastic as I am. He's also enthusiastic about renewable energy and making the environment green, and he'd like to be part of that solution, and he'd like for the Bitcoin community to work with him. And so I think everybody in Bitcoin's got the same objective. There's a little bit of skittishness in the market because this thing trades 24/7, 365 on tweets. And so sometimes you get volatility. But at the end of the day, I think we've got a good plan, and everybody's aligned on that plan. Yeah, well, the cyber hornets, they come up with... I step back and always look at the big picture. If you look at it from minute to minute, day to day, you'd be frustrated. But we're up by a factor of 4x over 12 months. Our shareholders are delighted. Our employees are delighted. As I say, sometimes Bitcoin fixes everything. Our last 2 quarters were 2 of the best quarters in a decade for the software business. And the corporate brand's been amped up by probably a factor of 1,000 or more. So it's great for our core enterprise software business. Everybody wants business intelligence, and I think it's great for Bitcoin. And it's been great for the MicroStrategy shareholders. I mean, in March, they were looking at a $90 stock. So if you look at it from that point of view, nobody's complaining. We got 2 strategies. One is to grow the software business, and marketing is key to that. So the fact that, I now have 1 million Twitter followers makes it easier for me to deliver the company's business intelligence message to the world. And then the Bitcoin strategy is acquire more Bitcoin. The company, has not financed its enterprise software cash flows. So the business intelligence software company is a financeable asset in the open market. And so I feel like we've got a great synergy because the business intelligence software is stable, and it would be viewed as a value stock were it not for the fact that we bolted on a dominant digital monitoring network that's growing more than 100% a year. I think that both of them work together well. And MicroStrategy is unique because we're the only publicly traded company that has the credibility to go to the capital markets and raise debt where the use of proceeds is Bitcoin.